So pretty much I volunteered for an organization for it's a small still up there. It's called a Computer for Kids. So it was a nonprofit. It's a nonprofit organization that supports for the kids that has
Oh,
they're not
I
able
can
to.
I cannot emphasize the importance of volunteering. Maybe now you have time. See, if you have time,
Yes.
right, you're looking for a job, whatever, this might be the right time for you to give back or volunteer. And by volunteering, let's say if you become a member of an ISACA and then chapter, and then you can volunteer, you can become a chair, whatever. And through that effort, right? Again, it's step by step. You just have to don't expect things to change overnight. Look, Efren, I mean, you mentioned all these things, and look where you are now. We're having this podcast, and you're kind of growing your
Yeah.
audience. Things will take time. There's no silver bullet.
Yeah, and everything was just based on volunteering. Honestly, I didn't really have the opportunity, so pretty much I just had to look for the
Yeah,
opportunity. And after that, they gave it to me. They gave me that small little opportunity, and from there, I just started learning more and more and more, and just
that's exactly
got to
it.
the level
You
that
have
I'm at
to,
right now.
yeah, you have to have the right people around you that you
So
can learn, right setting, right context, and don't waste any of the opportunities that come to your way.
yeah, like Richard said, like I personally don't have a degree right now. I don't have any certifications, but during all that process, it pretty much gave me all the experience and it gave me the opportunity to even land a position in IT. But now it is a little harder for cybersecurity because it is a little bit tougher. They do require certs or have a good resources. You
Yeah.
must have a
Yeah.
lot of good resources, but still, in the end, you do have to have at least one certification, and that's what I'm currently doing.
Employers, yeah, it's not easy. They want to see experience, they want to see knowledge, know-how, certification one way, education another.